Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back on the nose piece there for the Cyclops. We're going to glue the uprights in this area right here. We have a crack in this area right there. This is where we put the pieces in on both sides. I put pieces in where you can see that one right there. I keep all my old nose pieces for that reason. We have this crack here we have to fix, and we have one right there we're going to fix. Lined up all the pedestals for the headlight bulb. I'm going to put you in a stand. We're going to use this Permatex welder right here. It's the best glue that I've ever used. Have my mixing board right here. There's the grill. Them grills are awfully expensive. Headlight number 4411 if you need to buy new headlight bulbs there for the older style. And actually they fit the 82 series also. So we're going to put you in a stand and just follow along. We're going to glue everything in. We probably will not finish it today. Probably going to have to come back to it to get it finished, but I will show you the end results. But I'm going to put you back in the stand. This is unedited. And hopefully you can see really good there. We're going to start mixing up some glue right here. And I'm going to mix up quite a bit. Always have enough. I buy them 3 to 5 at a time, so I know I have enough. Now, definitely wear latex gloves. If you don't, this glue will be on your fingers for about 30 days. Now, I'm not going to try to get glue all the way around that. I'm going to come back and glue them later. All I want to do is make sure they don't move on the pedestals. These nose pieces are really getting hard to come by. There's just no question about it. Okay, the next one we're going to do, we're going to go to the center here, and we're going to get this one here. I'm going to try to use a clamp, and actually it came in pretty good right there. So we're going to fix this one here. Mix it up, and we'll run it right down through there. This glue is cheap, so definitely use enough. Now we're going to move on to the pedestals here. At the end of the film, I'll show you how I've been doing it. We'll go around it a little bit. Now, if you don't want this, you want this smooth, you can smooth it out. I like to keep as much glue on there as possible to keep the support up on it. These nose pieces, you never know when you're going to hit something with them. I always run a bumper on my Cyclops, but opened up another package. We're going to do this side right here next, and then we're going to work on this area right here. Actually, I'm gonna use the other side of the mixing board. If you don't have one of these mixing boards, get one. It just makes it real handy. You just peel them off. I used to paint cars, so I did a lot of body work. Found it very relaxing. Now you see right there's my nephew's cup. He's on YouTube also. He's Little Bent Wrench. He does Alice Chalmers Tractor. Please subscribe to his channel. He loves his Chalmers tractors, which I do too, believe it or not, even though I'm a red fan. I like my Persian orange. He has a video on just about every day. One of my favorite tractors in the whole world is a 200. He likes the D series, the WD-45s. We're gonna mix up some more. I wanna hit that area over in there a little bit. I'll move that up just a tad so you can see it. Now, one thing I am going to do is I'm going to get a new glove, and we're going to glue the other side here a little bit right in this area, right in there. We're going to glue that in a little bit better. So I'll get another glove. This is really good glue. I think what I'm gonna do also though is get ready for this one right here. If I can bring it in, no, I can't. I'm going to probably make this go apart if I bring that in and glue it. So I'm just gonna fill that gap in. Your grill's gonna stay in there anyways. But I wanna get a little bit more glue in this area. I'm gonna fill in this area right here. You might have to take a Dremel a little bit and carve that out a little bit. I'm going to try to get some down in that area right there. You don't have to be awfully fast with this type of glue. I've used others. I prefer the Permatex the best, especially on John Deere hoods. So there we are. I'm going to take you out of the stand real quick and take a good look at everything. You can see there's that piece I put in there. Probably will touch that up just a tad more, put a little bit more glue after it dries a little bit. Right there's the center one that's cracked, and right there's the pedestals on that on the headlight area right there. So just take your time. This will look just like brand new after it's done. I sure appreciate everyone following my channel. There's the 882. Had a lot of filming on that recently. Going to probably get that restored. It's not as bad a shape, and it runs a lot better than I ever thought it would. It sat out for about 9 years. There's a 1641 that this nose piece came off from. Going to get that in a part. It only has 300 hours on it, but it does have an electrical glitch on it. So thank you so much for following my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And we'll definitely see you on the next video.